Milana here, and I'm gonna be opening an espresso coffee machine for my parents. And yeah, and this is the brand is Breville. And if you turn it right here, it says what things it can do. It can grind and dose it. It can heat it. It can microfoam the milk, and it can pour like 2 cups of coffee at a time, and it can also, it has like birds. And what I love about this, it's touchscreen, because I also like coffee, even though I'm 12. And yeah, I'm gonna open it now. It has this really cute like picture of how of the designs you can do and like what it looks like. So right here, has a guide and like the instructions. There's also like the instructions with like I don't know what these are because I'm not really good at making coffee, but I like coffee. There's a water filter and there's like a holder, and then this is to like press it. Yeah, to. And then this is the cleaning kit. It's a little box. And right here is the razor. It does a trimming for the filter. And this is the filter. It's to like make it how much you want it. How do you put it? So we just took it out of the box, and I think it's a coffee machine. Oh yeah, it is. Oh, there's another thing. Oh, this is the cup for the milk, I think. Yeah. And this is the coffee machine. This is also for the topping. And then, so I peel it off. Wow. It's the touchscreen. And right here, it's for like the coffee, obviously. And you can take it off. It's like pretty shiny. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is where they pour it. And that's all. Bye. So we just unboxed the coffee machine. So I'm gonna teach you guys how to make coffee. I haven't really made coffee like properly, so this is how I think we should do it. First, press the power button. It's supposed to like do that. And then clean group head, run the cycle to deep clean your barista touch. So then you can choose any drink you want to do. We're gonna do a cappuccino. So first you have to press this. It's grinding the coffee. Okay, so then you take it out. Then you take the, like whatever this is to like press it down. And then after that, you can wipe it. 'Cause it has like coffee grinds on it. And then you put it here.
Let me help you.
My mom's gonna help me. put the cup below. And then you do it to 20 or however much it is, then you untwist it. Oof.
Just clean it.
And then you clean it. You can take it out. And this is optional unless you want your coffee like super strong. You can take milk, but we don't have milk right now. We have some whipping cream. And I love whipping cream because you can do it with like strawberries. Like you can dip the strawberries in there. You can put it to the line. And then, so then you go to home. And then, so you put the milk thing under here. And then you press the milk option, and it's supposed to froth. And it gets super whippy, like the consistency of whipping cream. Like, it's super hot too. It's 105 degrees. And I have to reach 150, and it's 140, so it should be done. Yeah. So now you take, careful, it's super hot, so you want to take it from here. Then you take it out. And then it cleans by itself. So you take like a different cup, and it's supposed to clean itself. So it's done. So then you take it out, and now you wipe it. But careful, it's also super hot right now. So now I don't know how to do any designs, but you guys can do a design. I don't know how to do it. You go like that. And then you can take like a spoon to scoop it out and put it there. That's all. Okay, I'm gonna give it to my mom and I'm gonna surprise her. We also got flowers for my mom's and my sister's birthday.
Что делает моя младшая?
I'm gonna make a salad, but I usually use cucumbers, but there isn't any because we don't have any more.
We're making food for Mama. Adina's making her salad and I made her coffee. Now I'm just putting everything on.
And then I take some oil, vegetable oil, and then and then I will go down some salt. We have these So you put some salt in it and then it like grinds it. And you click the button. And I put the label salt and then we have another one for pepper. Actually, I'll put a little more salt. And then I'll put a little bit more on also. And that's it. Oh, but first you gotta mix it. And I eat some.
It's good.